Good day viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ahviworld. Today I will be showing us how to make these beautiful nose marks you are seeing on me right now at the comfort of your home. Before then, if you haven't subscribed to my channel or you are new to this channel, kindly do that so that you will always be the first to get notification anytime we upload videos. Let's get started. Here are the materials needed for making a nose mask. I have two different types of fabric. You could use any one. You could use one particular fabric. It's a matter of choice. I decided to use these two because I would like to wear any of the sides. Here is an elastic, a tiny one, a pair of scissors, my tape, and a carton. This carton is going to be used to cut out our pattern. The pattern is what we'll use to cut out the fabric afterwards. So you could keep this pattern so that anytime you feel like making a nose mask, you always use it. Here is my needle and thread. In this tutorial, we're not going to use a sewing machine. We're going to use needle and thread. So if you don't know how to use your needle and thread, kindly check the link below to see our video on how you can make your own clothes without a sewing machine. Let's take the measurement. First of all, I'm going to take two distinct measurements, the vertical measurement and the horizontal measurement. The vertical measurement is 5.5. This is my starting point. I will just mark here. Then 5.5, I'll mark here. Then from this same vertical measurement, I'm going to take 1.5 measurement here. Then this same point where I marked my 1.5, I will mark 6 inches there. 6 inches, or I will take 3 inches on both sides of this very mark. Meanwhile, let me just rule here down like this. This is my vertical one, so I try to rule it so we can see it. Then from this very line, I'll take 3 inches to this side, 3 inches to this side. That's going to give me 6. So I'll simply mark here and mark here, which is 6. I hope you can see it. Then I will rule it. Like a cross now. After this, then this downside, I'm going to take 4. So I'm taking 2 inches on both sides. I'll take 2 inches here, 2 inches here, which gives me 4. Then I'll rule it. After that, I'll simply trace here. Join it to this very beginning. Then I'll connect here to this place. Then I'll join here to this point. You could use your tape as well, but it's not a very straight line. Meanwhile, then I'll connect here to this place. Simply just curve it inside. Something like this. Then I will just go up here by less than half an inch. Less than half an inch. And here also less than half an inch, so I can curve it and curve it like this. So I'll cut it out. Here is it, as you can see. So I'll simply place my fabric on fold like this. Then I place it on top. can just mark it like this. See the lines, just cut it out. Here is it. I cut it out already. You can see the two. Now I'm simply going to sew it with my needle and thread. So we'll start our stitching from here till I get here, then stop, sew the other one as well. Here is it. As you can see, very neat. Now I'm simply going to join both of them together like this. I'll open it like this. You can see there are two edges here. This part is sharper than this other side. You can see it. You see this other side. So this side that is sharp, you're going to join it with this other one. Both sides, right side facing right side. Place it together like this. So I'm simply going to sew it round from here to this place, like that. But before then, let me just cut the elastic. We're going to use 5.5 or 5.5. Here is it. I finished sewing it. I'll simply put this elastic inside like this. I'll hold it like this. Make sure it's straight. It goes in like this. One edge here and one edge on this other side like this. Then I'll simply sew from here to here to cover the elastic. Then I'll sew from here to here as well. I'll leave this very middle open because that's where I'm going to bring it out. I left this part open, so I'm going to bring it out from here. Let me turn it. Here is it. Can you see how neat it's looking? Make sure you iron it so that you have a perfect finishing. So this very opening, I will simply fold this part down and fold this side down as well. Then stitch it close. I will just stitch it from here to here. Here is the finished work. You can see how neat it is. I ironed it already. This is the other side. You can wear any side you feel like wearing.